What is it? Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness, Eli! Eli, what is it?
It's a new big color.
Oh my! Do you love it? What's on it?
Construction trucks, Mom.
Do you know who got that for you? Who made that for you?
She painted it.
I don't know if she painted it.
She drew everything on there. She a good artist?
No, do that one.
Hold on, let me get
I reach out to get close to you.
Yeah.
Well,
Be very careful.
nice,